Hello and welcome to today's presentation on 10 practical tips to develop self-discipline and achieve success. My name is Khamis and I will be your guide for the next few minutes as we explore some powerful strategies to help you become more disciplined and reach your full potential. The first tip is to set specific and measurable goals. Without clear objectives, it is hard to maintain focus and stay motivated. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve and break it down into achievable steps. The second tip is to build a routine. A regular routine can help you cultivate healthy habits and reduce distractions. Choose the tasks and activities that will take you towards your goals and schedule them into your day. Tip number 3 is to create a supportive environment. This means surrounding yourself with people who will encourage and inspire you and minimizing the negative influences in your life. Tip number 4 is to practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and emotional well-being is essential for maintaining self-discipline. Get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, and make time for exercise or meditation. Tip number 5 is to prioritize your tasks. This means focusing on the most important tasks first and letting go of non-essential activities. By prioritizing your tasks, you can better manage your time and avoid procrastination. Tip number 6 is to practice self-reflection. Taking time to reflect on your actions and decisions can help you identify areas for improvement and stay on track. Set aside time each day to review your progress and make any necessary adjustments. Tip number 7 is to eliminate distractions. There are numerous distractions that can derail your efforts towards self-discipline. Be mindful of the things that distract you from your goals and take steps to avoid them. Tip number 8 is to celebrate your achievements. Recognize and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This can help you stay motivated and reinforce positive behaviors. Tip number 9 is to cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and view failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. You never lose, you only learn. Lastly, tip number 10, use the 3-2-1 countdown method. Something you know you need to do but you don't want to, start a countdown, max of 10, and go 10, 9, 8, 7, etc. Then at 1, you do it. I use 3-2-1 and go. Well, I sincerely hope this helps you. I'm Khamis. Thank you for watching.